Happy day for the viewers. This is Professor L. Nagarajan, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering in MAM School of Engineering, created by NAC, approved by AICT New Delhi, affiliated to Anna University, Chennai, Trichy. Then next we are going to discuss about the needle and the depth electrodes. Okay, depth electrodes or the electrodes that is used to study the activity of the neurons. Okay, neurons is nothing but the brain. The brain is made up of bundles of neurons. Okay, so previously we had seen to measure the electrical activity of a cell of our body. Okay, whereas neuron, it is neurons is the bundle of tissues that is present in the brain. So these depth electrodes are used to measure the electrical activity of the brain. Okay, application used to measure the electrical activity of the brain and to measure the oxygen tensions. Next, needle electrode. Needle electrode, the previous slide we discussed about the micro electrode. Okay, needle electrode is also similar to that, but the size will be in millimeter size. Okay, that one will be in the micrometer and this is millimeter size. And these values are taken in, is used to measure the ECG, EEG and EMG. Just a moment, once again. Okay, so needle electrode. So this is used to record the activities of the nerves action, as well as it resembles this syringe. Okay, this electrode will resembles the syringe. So it is again classified into two types. So this one is monopolar and another one is bipolar. Okay, this type of in monopolar there will be single reference electrode, whereas in bipolar we can see one reference electrode and one active electrode. Okay. Next, so this is the diagram of the needle electrode. You can see this. And next, here is the surface electrode. Okay, surface electrode, as the name implies, although when the electrodes are placed on the surface of our body, then that is called as surface electrode. Okay, so we can measure maximum all the signals using the surface electrode for a normal reading. If there is some vigorous change in the signals, biopotential signals, then we can go for measure the particular cells by using the needle or micro electrode. Okay, all the readings were taken initially using this surface electrode. Okay, so you can see the different types of surface electrode pictorial representation, and the types of surface electrode. First one is metal plate electrode, then suction type electrode, adhesive type, multi-point type, floating type, ear clips, and scalp electrode. Okay, so this is a metal plate. So now we are going to discuss very briefly about each and every types of electrodes. So metal plate electrode. So ECG measurement techniques uses either rectangular or circular shaped plate which is made up of nickel or silver or German silver materials. Okay, so before placing this surface electrode, especially we will be using the electrode paste. Okay, electrode paste. So this electrode paste is utilized to have a good communication. Okay, good contact between the electrodes as well as the contact area. Contact area can be of any places, but so if you see in many movies, you can see many movies that to measure the fetal inside the stomach of the worm, they will be checking the ultrasonic method. They will be using the ultrasonic method to find out the growth of the fetal in the womb. Okay, So for that they'll be using the electrode paste. So that electrode paste provides three benefits over there. First one is it provides good lubrication. Okay, it provides good lubrication. Next one is it provides the good electrical communication. Okay, the ultrasonic sound travels completely into the warp and return to the electrode. Okay, so and finally it reduces the artifacts. Very important point, it reduces the artifacts is a type of error, okay, that we'll be seeing in the next upcoming slides. Okay, so these are the different types of advantages when we are using this metal that is surface electrodes with electrode paste. Okay, this is the small example for this electrode surface electrode. Then this is the suction type electrode. This type of electrodes is used only maximum in ECG. And this is the adhesive type. This adhesive type will be used in the surface as well as on the scalp. And floating electrodes, multi-type electrodes and ear clips. Maximum these ear clips and scalp electrodes will be used in the as a reference and also in the EEG signals. Then finally coming to the recording problems in the electrodes. What are different types of recording problems in the